I look like somebody in a serious toxic relationship. Did somebody just hit me? Hi lovies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we are doing something different and fun. Yes. Have you heard of monochromatic makeup? That is exactly what we'll be doing here today. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. In case you're wondering what monochromatic makeup means, it simply means that all the colors I'll be using on my face today has to be one. Yes. But that doesn't include foundation and concealer. No, my eyeshadow, my blush, my lips, it has to be one color. Yes. And guess the color I'm choosing for this. I think you might be thinking pink, red, or peach because these are the colors that are likely to go well with this kind of thing, you understand? But guess what I'm choosing? Purple. Yes, purple. Purple.
Purple.
Yes, that color. That is what I've chosen for today. So let's just, I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking that, oh, purple is for people with cool undertone, but I have one under. Don't worry. We shall do it. We'll do it and we'll know what it's going to be like. Okay, just stay tuned and go nowhere. Like I said, the color purple is the star color of the day. So anything that doesn't have the color purple is only but a subordinate. So with that being said, let's just start doing this look. Yes. Anyway, let me introduce the color of the day, the star color of this whole show. And we are starting. You just have to calm down, okay? Because you might still end up being a mess. Besides, the shade of purple I want to use is not this your own. Because this your own, I'm sure it's going to look disgusting. So just calm down, and if you wouldn't mind, vanish from here. Just ignore all that. So starting with the first purple of the day, that will be for my blush, and I'll be picking it from this shade, from this eye magic palette. So going on to put that on my shade right now. Yeah, it's purple. I hope you guys are seeing purple from there as well. So let me put it on both shades. I want to add enough of it because the purple is not so dark, or by the time I will set it with another purple stuff. Okay, let me blend. Okay, see, I blended out the purple blush. It's not looking bad, just that I look like somebody in a serious toxic relationship. Did somebody just hit me? Let's continue. It's like this is going to be fun. Let's continue. I will actually be needing concealer yet, and like I said, this color doesn't apply to foundation and concealer. Okay, now that I'm done with that concealer and setting the face, I'm just going to go ahead and set it also with my setting spray. When this dries, I am going to go and do my brows, and of course I'll be right back for us to continue with this. You guys know I normally do my brows off camera, but I just recorded a bit while highlighting my brows today. Yeah, I'm done with my eyebrows now, so it's time for the eyeshadow. Yes, it's time for the eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I don't want to use eyeshadow primer for the base. Yes, I'm thinking of using this lip stain I use here as the base, and I would like to make the purple a kind of smoky purple. Yes, I'm gonna be excited because I don't know what smoky purple is gonna look like, but I hope it's gonna be real smoky. Like, so putting that purple on my eyelid. Let me use it as the base, my eyeshadow base. So I'm done using that as the base. I'm going to put the eyeshadow. I have different shades of purple. I don't know the one that is going to work well, because I will still use it to blend the blush. As a powder blush, I'm still going to use this purple I'm using on my eyes. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is it. Because I'll still use it here so that the purple will be popping. I don't want to use a very thick one, as in very dark purple at the beginning, because by the time I will be using this one on it, this powdered one on it, it might turn to another shade, you know. So I started off with a lighter purple, and now I'm going in with a darker purple. Right now, if you're wondering, you might be thinking that the eye is different from here, but it's not. It's the same lip stain I use it that I use it. So I'm still going to use this same shade I am putting on my eyes. I still use it as a powdered blush. And then this same shade, the lip stain and this, they are what I'm going to use on my lips also. So just stay with me. I use the lip stain first, then before this eyeshadow that I'm using as my powder blush. For my water liner, I really don't have any purple liner, so what I'm going to do is improvise as well. You guys already know. So purple is not that a popular color when it comes to makeup, so don't blame me. So I'll be using this my, and then I will go in again with this same eyeshadow. That's how I'm gonna get the purple water liner that I will use. I'm sweating so much. Whew, look at that. I think I've achieved something new in my life now. For the first time, I cried out purple tears. Like for the first time. Oh god, I feel so fulfilled right now. So I'm going ahead to smudge the under eye with that same purple, smoke it out. You get me? I don't know. I hope I'm not bending too much for you, my lovely. Smoke it out to meet the upper one. That's it. You guys see that it's time for my lashes, and I love to do my lashes with my hands. Okay guys, the lashes is done. Anyways, I forgot, I wanted to add some shimmers to the eyes because I want my lips to be matte. Yes, I love matte lips. Yes, but I forgot, but I think I'm still going to do that. I hope it will not fall on top of this lashes. Yeah, so let me add some shimmers to the eyes. Yeah, stuff like this so that the eye can be a bit shinier. For the lids, I'm first of all going to use my wipes and take off this. To line my lips, I'll be using this Davis pencil. This is the pencil I'll be using to line my lips. Placing that color on my lip, the first one I normally use the lip palette before I'll go over it with the actual so the first purple. Okay, I actually have a purple lippy. Oh, I think I should use this instead of this. What you guys think? Hold on. Okay, now that we're done with putting on our colors, it's time for sheet glaze. Let me see what sheet glaze is going to look like on top of this. And this is the sheet glaze that I'll be using. Oh my god. All these tiny pimples I have here. This sheet glaze is making them to shine more. Like, I'm not here for that. So this is basically it, my people, my lovelies. So when you hear monochromatic makeup, it simply means using one color to achieve your eyeshadow, your blush, and of course your lipstick. And then if there's any other place you need extra color, it has to be that same color. Yes, it mustn't be the same shade of that color, like pepper have different shades. It mustn't be the same shade, but it has to be that same color. I think it should be the same shade actually. I would have loved to add some stone to this to make it more, you understand, but the problem now is that I don't know the design to create with the stone, and I don't even know exactly where to add it, and I don't have a lot of stones, but I'm still gonna make use of what I have. Okay, so this is the look. I'll add the stones to it and we'll see what's gonna be like. Okay, alright my lovelies, this is what we have at the end. This is what I achieved with that stone, but I don't have to lie to you, this wasn't the plan, this wasn't what I hoped to achieve, but this is what I got at the end. At least the three of you watching me there, it can be one person with just 3 different accounts, but I prefer to say 3 of you watching me. I owe it to you to be honest. This wasn't the initial plan, but I think I love it. It's nice. What do you think? Should I pose for a selfie? Alright. Wait, let me pose for a selfie. Have you snapped enough? So my lovelies, that is it. So, color purple, did I make you proud? So with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys love it. So if you want me to do more of this type of makeup, maybe with another color, just leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you.